Hi everybody, it's Cecilia Wheeler and Bill Wheeler with Wheeler Vacations. We are about to go to the Cayman Islands Turtle Farm. So you won't want to miss it. So like and subscribe us and we will be right back.
Today we're visiting Georgetown in the Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands is a British overseas territory, and it is not only the financial center of the Caribbean. This tax-free haven is also a wonderful place to visit. Today we took the tender from our ship into the heart of Georgetown, where we picked up a taxi to go to Cayman Turtle Center. Coincidentally, it's across the street from Dolphin Discovery. This center makes sure that turtles are cared for, they're rescued if they're injured, and released back into the wild. This is a wonderful resort. They have lots of individual areas to visit, including a butterfly garden, an aviary, and you even have the opportunity to swim with the turtles if you desire, or just lounge by the lagoon. They have lots of designated areas for snacks, as well as just enjoying the day while you're in Georgetown. Today's treat, we actually got to see a Cayman parrot, which is actually quite rare. Today turned out to be really a picture-perfect day. We got to see turtles swimming in the tank. This tank is the one where you could actually swim with the dolphins. It had an underground area where you could just get a little break from the sun and watch the turtles swim by. There are smaller tanks with some of the juvenile turtles, and today Cecilia was the big brave girl and took the opportunity to pet some of the turtles. She loves turtles, as does our daughter Brittany. There is a separate building that acts as a hatchery and education center. We see how the eggs are actually laid in the sand by the turtles. They're collected into these boxes, and the small little hatchlings are getting ready to be released back into the wild.
Hi, this is Bill and Cecilia Wheeler with Wheeler Vacation. A great tip for your trip to the Grand Cayman is to stop at Cayman Spiritis.
I got to tell you, this is one of my favorite places in all the islands. They have the best rum on the planet, the Governor's Reserve Dark Rum, but they have a fine selection of other products to suit every taste. Cayman Spirits has been around for several years now, and I always make a point of visiting. They have a great distillery tour. The free tastings are always fantastic, and they're always adding new products to their offerings. My favorite, like I said, is Governor's Reserve Dark Rum, but they also have an amazing rum-infused coffee. They get the name 7 Fathoms because they actually put the rum in barrels and drop them 7 fathoms, which is 42 feet deep, into the ocean. The rocking of the ocean brings the rum in and out of the barrel, making it very smooth. And they have quite the operation that they were kind enough to give us a tour of. Well, that's it for our trip to Georgetown. As we sail off into our next adventure, be sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notify bell so when we upload new videos, you're the first one to see it. Smooth sailing and bon voyage. This is Bill and Cecilia from Wheeler Vacations.